Listen up, entrepreneurs and marketers, the game just changed. Introducing Marketing Blocks, your secret weapon to dominate the digital world. This is next level stuff, folks. No more wasting time on tedious tasks. Marketing Blocks is your all-in-one solution for success. Forget expensive freelancers and complicated software. This is about simplifying your life and maximizing your profits. We're talking about AI that works for you, 24/7. It's time to work smarter, not harder. With Marketing Blocks, you're in control. Create high-converting marketing campaigns in minutes, drive traffic, generate leads, and boost sales like never before. This is the future of marketing, and it's here, right now. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? This isn't your average AI. Marketing Blocks is like having a team of marketing experts at your fingertips. It understands your needs and delivers mind-blowing results. We're talking human-like intelligence without the human drama. Imagine this. You type in a keyword and boom, Marketing Blocks generates a complete marketing campaign tailored to your audience. It's like magic, but it's real. This is the power of AI, people. No more writer's block or creative burnout. Marketing Blocks is your secret weapon for consistent, high-quality content. From compelling ad copy to engaging social media posts, it does it all. Stop dreaming about success and start achieving it with Marketing Blocks. Get ready to be amazed. Marketing Blocks creates a vast array of marketing assets, all from a single keyword. We're talking websites, landing pages, ad copy, social media posts, emails, and so much more. It's mind-boggling. Need a killer Facebook ad campaign? Done. How about a high-converting landing page? No problem. Marketing Blocks handles it all, effortlessly. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your marketing needs. Stop wasting time jumping between different platforms and tools. Marketing Blocks streamlines your entire workflow so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. This is efficiency on steroids. Say goodbye to marketing headaches and hello to Marketing Blocks. Time is money, and Marketing Blocks saves you both. Let's face it, time is your most valuable asset. Marketing Blocks gets that. It saves you countless hours by automating tedious tasks and generating high-quality content in seconds. Imagine all the time you'll save. Think about it. No more agonizing over headlines, struggling with design, or battling with code. Marketing Blocks does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on the big picture. Spend less time working in your business and more time working on your business. And the best part? It saves you money too. No more expensive freelancers, complicated software subscriptions, or marketing agencies. Marketing Blocks is your one-stop shop for all your marketing needs at a fraction of the cost. Stop throwing money away on outdated marketing methods. Marketing Blocks is the cost-effective solution you've been waiting for. Anyone can be a marketing rock star. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing guru to use Marketing Blocks. It's incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. If you can use a keyboard, you can use Marketing Blocks. It's that simple. Don't let fear hold you back from success. Marketing Blocks empowers anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to achieve incredible results. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you an unfair advantage. And here's the kicker. You can even sell these marketing services to others and create a profitable business. That's right, you can become the go-to marketing expert in your niche. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Join the AI revolution and unlock your full potential with Marketing Blocks. Visit the link below to learn more and start your free trial today.